You okay, man? What's going on? What's wrong? You choking? You need a fire? Heimlich? 15, please on fire this way. Can you send fire this way? This guy's choking. Get out. Okay, got it.
I got water in the back.
Okay, I'll get it, man. You alright? What'd you swallow? Hot dog choke. Oh, we got it out. Heimlich him, he's good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Crazy stuff, man.
She's scared of Billy, bro. Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Here, sit down and relax, bro. Sit down. Hey.
The second time that happened to me.
Man, just too big of a chunk or just go down the wrong pipe?
I'm hungry. So
I got you. And you eat quick and that ends up happening.
I don't know thinking I can buy it and eat.
No.
The first time that shit ever happened to me.
Oh, dude, that's scary stuff, bro. Because you can't catch your breath. Yeah, I saw you try to vomit. You're trying to spit it up, but you can't do it. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, man, no problem, bro. I got you, man. I got you.